Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you disconnect or remove your Calendly from your HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove Calendly from your HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common you're going to switch over to a different service provider. So maybe you want to go ahead and remove your Calendly access. Whatever the reason, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, in order to disconnect your Calendly, here on the top section, you're going to click on Tools. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Integrations. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the Calendly logo right here. And in order to disconnect it, simply click on this disconnect button right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Disconnecting your Calendly account could affect linked automations. Are you sure you want to proceed? If you're sure, go ahead and click on disconnect. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you can see that my Calendly is disconnected. It no longer shows the email that I have connected to my Calendly. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Calendly from your HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.